Here you join Ammo, Relic and myself up at Lakeside, which I regard as the best legal wall in the UK. So here we go, that is it for this video. I forgot to mention that I met Bravo from down in Brighton that day, which cool guy to meet. I really like his style. He rocked up, painted something for about an hour, hour and a half, and then just pissed off back to Brighton. So yeah, legend for doing that. Also cool to meet Mute1 for the first time. He was painting to the left of us. So yeah, really cool. I actually gave him a NyQuil by mistake, which is like a version 2 NyQuil, which hasn't actually been released to the public yet. I was supposed to give him one of the version 1s, but by mistake I gave him one of the version 2s. But anyway, I hope he's used that. I hope he's given it a try and he enjoys it. But yeah, anyway, good to see Boast as well. Boast rocked up. He was painting to the right of us, further down with another guy. Don't know what he writes, but he painted some cool character. So yeah, that is it for this video. Please give the video a thumbs up because that really helps me. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And drop a comment. Tell me whether you painted at Lakeside before or not. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.